10 surprisingly reliable sports bikes that still deliver thrills. Sports bikes are built for speed, but high performance often comes at the cost of reliability. Extreme engine designs, high compression, and aggressive tuning can lead to frequent maintenance or even breakdowns. However, some models defy this trend, blending exhilarating performance with long-term dependability. Here are 10 fully fared sports bikes that prove you can have your cake and ride at two ranging from 50 to nearly 200 horsepower. Entry-level speed. Kawasaki Ninja 500, 51 HP. The Kawasaki Ninja 500 stands out as the fastest entry-level sports bike currently available. Its 451cc parallel twin engine builds on the proven 399cc platform, delivering impressive power and torque for its class. The lack of electronic aids and its low weight create a raw, unfiltered riding experience. This bike is about pure connection between rider and machine. Midweight mastery. Honda CBR 650R, 95 HP. For a modern, reliable middleweight, the Honda CBR 650R is a solid choice. Its inline-4 engine can hit speeds exceeding 150 mph, while maintaining Honda's legendary reliability. The 649cc engine has a proven track record, sharing components with the earlier CBR 650F, ensuring long-term durability. Unexpected endurance. Aprilia RS 660, 105 HP. Despite Aprilia's reputation for complexity, the RS 660 has earned a reputation for reliability. Reports from owners show examples exceeding 50,000 miles with basic maintenance. While it requires more frequent oil top-ups than some rivals, its twin-cylinder design delivers exceptional performance, often outperforming larger displacement competitors. Modern revival. Yamaha YZF R9, 117 HP. The Yamaha YZF R9 is a modern take on the classic YZF R6. The CP3 engine provides strong low and mid-range power, making it fun in a variety of conditions. The engine itself is based on the proven MT-09, ensuring dependability. Plus, class-leading electronics add safety without sacrificing excitement. Track-ready reliability. Honda CBR 600RR, 118 HP. The Honda CBR 600RR might be the most dependable supersport here. Countless high-mileage examples demonstrate its durability, and its 599cc inline-4 engine even served in the Moto2 World Championship. Its simple design means fewer potential failure points, while its track-oriented setup delivers pure performance. The last of the true supersports. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R, 127 HP. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R remains one of the last true supersports available new. Recent tweaks to the engine and gearing make it more usable for daily riding while maintaining a thrilling experience. The aggressive ergonomics and adjustable suspension reinforce its commitment to performance. An anomaly. Suzuki GSX R750, 150 HP. The fact that the Suzuki GSX R750 is still in production is surprising. This bike hasn't seen major updates in over a decade, but that means all issues have either been fixed or are well documented. Its raw performance, no electronic aids, and high horsepower make it a standout choice. The speed legend. Suzuki Hayabusa, 187 HP. The Suzuki Hayabusa is the original speed machine. The latest iteration delivers improved low-end punch while retaining its legendary reliability. It's also surprisingly comfortable for a sports bike, with features like cruise control and bungee hooks. Friendly leader class. Honda CBR 1000RR, 189 HP. The Honda CBR 1000RR prioritizes simplicity over cutting-edge tech, making it one of the most reliable leader class bikes. It can reach speeds of over 186 mph, and its aluminum chassis with Showa suspension provides excellent handling. Pure power. Suzuki GSX R1000, 199 HP. The Suzuki GSX R1000 tops the list with nearly 200 horsepower. This bike delivers raw, unfiltered power without unnecessary complexity, making it a thrilling and dependable choice for serious riders. In conclusion, sports bikes don't have to be unreliable. These 10 models prove that you can combine exhilarating performance with long-term dependability, making them ideal for riders who demand both speed and peace of mind. The key is choosing a model with a proven track record and a design that balances innovation with reliability.